Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about what is pure recurring decimal. Let's get started with the definition. Now what is the pure recurring decimal? A decimal fraction in which all the figures after the decimal point are repeated is called a pure recurring decimal. Now we will see what are the examples. Let's take 0.3 bar. Now how to convert this fraction into vulgar fraction. It is also called as p by q form. So its vulgar fraction is 3 by 9. The number over which the bar is represented, we have to take that number of 9 upon that number. Now for 0.37 bar, let's take the 37 as it is, and the bar is over 3 and 7, so that much number of 9 we will take. For 0.067 bar, we also have to consider that 0 means 67 upon 999. We have also take 9 for that 0 also. Let's take another example which are asked in competitive exams. The example is 0.142857 bar upon 0.285714 bar. Now as I said before that the numbers over which the bar is represented, we have to take that much 9s in the denominator. So this number can written as, and upon which we have to write number of 9s over which the bar is represented. So there are 6 numbers, so we take in the denominator 6 number of 9s. This is in the denominator, so it get reversed. So here is also the number are 6, so number of 9s are also 6 upon that number 285714. This 9 can get cancelled with these 9s, and we can see that this number is the twice of that number, so 1 by 2. Hence its vulgar form is 1 by 2. Let's move to the another example. 0.09 bar into 7.3 bar is equal to, the options are 0.6 bar, 0.657 bar, 0.67 bar and 0.657 bar. Now we have to solve this example. So the 0.09 over bar is written as 9 upon 99. Here we can see that there are 2 numbers over which the bar is represented, so we take 9 2 times in the denominator. Into 7.3 bar can be written as 7 plus 0.3 bar, which is equal to 9 upon 99 into 7 plus, this can be written as 3 by 9. We solve this by cross multiplication. 9 7s are 63 plus 3 equal to 66 upon 9. This 9 get cancelled with this 9, and 11 6s are 66 and 11 9s are 99, and 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. So your answer is 2 by 3. And in the decimal fraction, 2 by 3 is equal to 0.666. It gets repeated, so we can write it as 0.6 bar, and your option A is correct. Now let's take another example. 5.88 bar plus 4.58 bar. In case of addition and subtraction, there is no need to convert decimal fraction into vulgar fraction. Now 5.88 bar can be written as 5.888888 and so on, and 4.58 bar is written as 4.5858 5, 8, 5, 8 and so on. 8 plus 8 equal to 16, 8 plus 6 equal to 14, carry 1, 8 plus 9 equal to 17, again 8 plus 6 equal to 14, 8 plus 9 equal to 17 and 8 plus 6 equal to 14, carry 1 and 5 plus 5 equal to 10. Here we can see that the number we get is 10.474746, but there is no need to consider 46. Hence our required answer is 10.47 bar. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.